The 2024 hurricane season was one of the most active on record, with 18 named storms, 11 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes, leaving over 4 million Floridians without power. Ensure your home's safety and comfort with a Generac home standby generator from Gallie Electric. Our comprehensive turnkey solutions include a free in-home consultation, all necessary permits, propane installation, generator setup, and assistance with warranty registration. With a Generac home standby generator, you'll never have to worry about being left in the dark. Join countless satisfied customers who have secured their homes against power outages. Contact Gallie Electric today to schedule your free in-home consultation and take the first step toward uninterrupted power.